There we go. Getting ready to rock and roll. We're going live. Welcome. As the notifications go out and people swipe into stream, welcome to the chat. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. Let's do we want the dashboard? Probably a new knowledge item. Let's see here. What do we need here, chat? We need of what is up, Tanish? Welcome to the live stream. How's your day going? Did you have a good day? I had a great day. Today was great. Was really cloudy. Driving to and from work. Had a good time at work. Working on a fun project. But now I get to work on a cool project with you guys here in the studio. We're making a database right now. Well, AI is going to make it for me just because I can do that. Database of geometry dash. Is that not how you spell geometry? There we go. Dash level requests. Should have text field of level. I had an average day. Oh, right on. Glad to hear that you had an average day, Danish. Glad to hear that. You here to vibe, have a good time in the afternoon. You got any stuff you're working on yourself while you're listening to the live stream? And I know so many people turn these things on and they're like multitasking and stuff. I do the same thing. I'm 100% the same way. Should have text field of level. Text field of requested by. Text field. Let's see here. So by status field for requested, verified, approved, denied, played. I think that'll be good. And then date, time, requested. Welcome back, Azure. We are setting up a new chat command. You made it back. How was your day, Azure? Did you have a good one? We are working on our geometry dash console command. So that chat will be able to request geometry dash levels. And then we'll be able to test them and do all those lovely things. You had a good day. I'm glad. Glad you had a good day. Tanish and Azure, I have a question for you all, and anybody else in chat can. I always come back. I appreciate that. Anyone else in chat can jump in on this question as well. Do you randomly find my streams, like the algorithm just lets you're swiping through shorts and the algorithm randomly finds you here? Or do you get the notification that I'm live or see that I'm live on suggestions and then you click into the stream? I'm curious. I'm very curious. So it is creating the database right now. Yeah. Why live 2 times? Because one is horizontal and one is vertical save stake. So some people like watching on their phones and some people like watching on their computers. And I provide both. I'm actually live 3 times. There's a third live stream, a secret third live stream on Twitch. And that way, everybody gets to see what happens, should they so choose. Let's see, did it do everything I wanted it to do? We got name, date requested, level. Name should just be level, strictly speaking. Level requested by status. I'm actually going to delete that property. We're going to make this level. Ref. That looks appropriate. Why didn't it let me? Yeah, whatever. Okay. There it is, chat. We got it. So now I need to... I'm going to need this link. Did it put it... Lol. Then it copied a thing here. It's kind of a silly way of doing that, but I don't mind. So this is our level request. You get NS notifications. Cool. Appreciate that. Everybody in chat, get ready because we are going to be creating a new action and a new command. Our action is going to be called... Let's see here, what group do I want to put this in? I'm going to put this into chat. Requests. This is going to be called geometry dash request. Till that, okay. Then we're going to add a trigger. The trigger is a command. What's up, Odessa? Welcome back to the live stream. How was your day? I hope you had a wonderful day. Let's see here. GD request command. Smiley face, you had a good day. All right, exclamation mark. GD. Add this into checkmate group. Source can be any of these places. Good, yeah. I love to see it. Okay. Okay. Can I? Is it possible to add? Oh, I can add C#. Is that it? Can I only add C#? Because I will use C# here in a minute. This cute C# code might be the play here, chat. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see here. The best way to do this is probably with T3 chat. Welcome back, Harley Sawyer. Welcome to the live stream. We are setting up the very anticipated Geometry Dash level request command. So we've got our database here. That's what we can see on screen. And right now I'm setting it up so that when somebody does the command, it's not ready yet, but when somebody does it, it will take the level and add it in. Okay. So, yeah, we want that. We want 3 of those. Okay. Right, C# for streamer bot sub action to do the following. There's that goose. Don't know why it's honking at me. I love the RNG command. It's so good. Have a space. Have a variable that I will fill in the motion API split. There we go. I'll get the username of activates the command. The message included in the command would be something like GD and then message text. Honk, honk, honk. It's me who's the goose. You're the goose, Harley. You come into my stream and you're goosing around. Can't believe you do this. Astonished. Text. This will be sent to Notion. Database is. Need to get this. There's a database link here. Copy link. Let's see if this is actually. Previously, it was not. Yeah, it's not doing it. I have to actually open Notion. Pebble has his thinking hat. I don't think Pebble is. I have a question. What's your question, Harley? I don't think that Pebble is ever without. My authenticator. Did I set up an authenticator for Notion? Am I annoying? Not at all. Not in my stream, Harley. Wait, did I just scroll past it? Notion. There it is. Do. Perfect. Not in the slightest. Yippee! Let's see here. We're looking for. I can copy that link. The fields are title level. What's up, I Love Gaming? Welcome to the live stream. Put the requested message here. GD. Requested by. Put the username goes here. And then status. I need to check these statuses, dude. Okay, it should all come up as requested, I believe. Set as default. Okay. And date requested. This doesn't need to be here. This should be a created time. There we go. And let's get that on the 24-hour format. I just joined and 8 people are here. Yeah, we're hanging out. I'm creating the Geometry Dash command so that chat can request Geometry Dash levels. Okay. Cool. Now it's 11. It's growing. You can increase this number by sharing the live stream with your friends. It's possible. Now it's 13. Bro, it's going up. That's really cool. 13 people. I am so honored that 13 people would spend some time with me on today's live stream. I'm super honored. Now 12. It's okay. Some people might come and go. Some people have things to do, Hartley. Not everybody gets to sit around and enjoy a live stream with you guys. Now 6. Now 5. Dang, it's going up and down. It's all right, guys. I've got my water. I don't know if YouTube actually knows how many people are here. That number's probably like, you know, it counts people as they swipe into the live stream and then they hang out, because right now it says 9 for me, but the chat rate is 6, which I don't know what that means. You know, more people might stay on the live stream. Let's run an experiment, chat. Everybody who's here in chat, like the video right now. If you haven't liked the video, like the video right now, and we'll see if that makes more people come into the live stream. I legitimately don't know if that does anything. I'd be very curious. Probably a bug or something. Could be. I already liked. Thank you very much, Harley Sawyer, for liking the video. Appreciate you. That's a really cute emote. Is that a little cat in a box? Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Going to paste that in there. Then I need to go get my code. Yeah, my favorite. That's your. Oh, that's really cute. It's like hiding there. That's cool. Let's see here. Oh, bro, you want your first demon if you do this one? It's really easy. Yeah. We'll be able to request levels here pretty soon. Very, very soon. That's an important one. Okay. Means that it doesn't really matter if you like or sub, it's only for recommendations by YouTube. That's cool. I think it's going to be really cool when we're able to do custom emotes on the channel. That's going to be really cool. Do you have an account yet? If you do, tell me your account, man. We'll front it. I don't have an account. Kitty cars. Meow. Don't forget exclamation point cat. Best exclamation point. Okay. Paste that in. Delete this here. Okay. Save and compile. And then let's add, let's see here. Action. Run action RNG. Select. Okay. Okay. All right, chat. Let's give this a test. Let's give this a test. Do exclamation point GD for geometry dash, then put a space and put your level recommendation in. We're gonna test. We're gonna test this out. Yarnaby, I'm a banana. No, you're a cat. Let's see here, GD. I'm gonna try this out. A big test. I don't know if it's gonna. Okay.
Objection.
Looking good, looking good. Nothing's landing. Nothing is landing here. I see it's been requested. But I don't know how to. Let's see here. Doesn't seem to explain if it's working. I don't know how it works. I don't have a GD account because iOS user, it costs money. True. Geometry dash. So I set it to play random sound effects whenever people run it, but it seems like the compiled code is not working. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We got some errors and okay, copy all the errors. That's why we had errors. So that's why it's not working. That code had these errors. It's figuring it out, Chad. It's figuring it out. Yeah, it's not going to do anything right now. I have to fix the code that's doing the base command. But we will get there. So hold off on using the command for just now, chat. I will do it again here shortly. This one goes up to that point. Okay. And this all comes afterwards. Bum, 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 bum. Copying all the code I need into the thing and pasting it in. All right, compile that. Even more errors. Oop. That's not right. Stop that. Or is it? No, it looks wrong. Copy. There we go. Even more errors. There we go. I found them. I'm gonna go by. I hope you have a good day and night, because there's a tornado warning for me. Oh goodness, be safe out there, Harley. Yeah, definitely be safe if there's a tornado warning. My goodness. Is that a little dog? That is so cute. I love gaming. Chill W dog. Dude, W dog indeed. Chat, if you have access to cool emojis, like, use them now. I want to see all of your cool emojis. My internet is actually so bad it paused in the middle of the stream. Bro. I feel you, bro. Keep going. I wish the web searching on this was more stable. I might have to just swap over to GLM. Is a very capable model. Ooh, they got GLM 5.1. Compile. Oh, okay. Might have to use curl. We shall see. We shall see, chat. If we still get errors, give us a possible solution. Okay. Let's see if we can fix this. Oh, that could have been why. Yeah, whatever. Paste that in there. Everything else. Thank you for the follow. I think it's Sarah24. Yeah, Sarah24. Thank you for the follow. How's your day going? We are setting up a chat command to request geometry dash levels. Yo, have a nice day, man. Thank you. Thank you. Game over. What's going on? Yeah, we're setting up a chat command to request geometry dash levels. What's going on? Let's see here. Has a curl post request. Simply might work better. Okay. I'm late. Is there anything I missed? No. We are in the debugging stage. Any interesting things? Well, everybody spammed the geometry dash command and it made sound effects, which is what it was supposed to do, and nothing else worked. But soon we will have some variety of geometry dash level requesting working here. It will work eventually. I just got to work out the correct way to do this. Well, this is running. Chat here. Oh. Yeah, we'll only do a sound effect for right now. It's not going to do anything else. Streamer. Take a chat message, send it to the text after the command. Do you play games? I do. In fact, I play Geometry Dash and Roblox and Fortnite. But the last time we did a Geometry Dash stream, there was a lot of level requests and no real way to categorize them. And some of the levels had what's the best way to say it? Stuff you don't want to show on stream in them. And so I need a way of listing things. And if people are going to spam levels, I want them to get timed out in chat automatically. So I'm building a system to kind of help me corral all of that. Let's see here. Inappropriate is a good term. Yes, inappropriate was very accurate. Ah, that's great. Yeah. So that's what you see on screen right here is the database that's going to be, what you call it, working with that. I just realized that chat wasn't loading in my smaller view there. Get that loaded. Or spamming. True. Yeah, we don't want people spamming. Okay, so log the text after the command to the title and to the username to requested by. Is there a way to copy and paste the whole flow into that? Looking for a solution for me. Well, this to a web request. Interesting. Okay. We got system. Where is it expecting the view hybrid approach? Okay. Ah, that's where we got it. This could work, chat. This could work. You've got a good energy on stream. I like it. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Are you from the US? I am. Geometry, it's the easiest demon. It's really easy. I do not know. It's a hard demon. I don't know either, Vibes. I am from New Mexico. The newest Mexico. Okay, so after I do that, I have to import this. I'm gonna look and see if it came up with this guy. Let's see, does not support copy, right? And it's import system. You paste a UU encoded string. Oh, doesn't have native notion sub actions. Yeah, I know. We would have to use regular web gets and fetches. Listen to the song "The Weekend Whip" by The Fold, and you'll love it. I recommend it to other people. I'll have to check it out. You should check out Sideways by Tidland. For sure. Building the action instrument. Okay. You have a similar approach with the C#. I'm looking at on my streaming computer in a chat different ways I can do this. New Mexico, not Mexico. So I'm in the States. I'm in New Mexico. It's north of Texas. Let's see. Paste that in and compile. Cool. It compiled successfully. W compile, chat. W compile. All right. Now, what's the next thing I have to do? We need to add a web request sub action and configure it. Do you know there's those streams in Roblox games like Steal a Brain Rot and Threaten to Ban People if we say something like 6-7 or a noob or something, and sometimes scam people with jewel donations? What did I just read? What? Do you stream at the same time? Like every day? Approximately. I approximately go live between 4 and 6. Usually every day. Weekends, it just depends. But generally I come home from the office and I hop on for a quick stream, depending on what's going on in the day. I usually Monday and Tuesday only have like an hour, 45 minutes to stream. A. Today's stream is brought to you by A. Please, that one. We are debugging a chat command right now. Cool Vibes. Have a chill. Take a chill pill. Take a lap. Let's see here. Okay, so I need to add a web request. Is it HTTP? What does it want me to add? Web request. All one word. Web request. The heck? What is that? Add core commands, file IO, logic, system. I'm looking over my stream deck right now. That's why this looks weird. Network, maybe? Fetch URL. I bet fetch URL is kind of what I'm looking for. Can I join your Discord server? Of course. We can become friends because I like your vibes. For sure. That's why the server link is out there. It was like, okay. So the web request is actually a fetch command, which makes sense. Okay, parse results is JSON. Auto type non-JSON results. I don't know. All right, method post, obviously. Application, content type, JSON. Body is Notion payload. Oh, interesting. Okay. Do I need to put that in there? Parse results as JSON. Header value. Does Notion take header authentication? Add these headers. Authorization, bearer, and then your token. Okay, I guess it does. I guess it does, chat. Authorization, bearer. That's an old command. Flow page out here with the old commands. Dang. Let's do that. And we're gonna, where's it? Paste that in. And then we need another header. Looked like. I just started sketching recently, and maybe in the future I'll make a sketch of you too if we keep in touch. That'd be cool. My wife is an animation artist. So she does like the majority of my artwork and stuff, like all my logos and things like that. I do graphic design myself, but for actual humans, she does a much better job. Okay, so we got that. Send you a friend request on Discord. Well, when it comes in, I'll see it. But as of right now, I don't see it. But I did see that you joined the Discord. Okay. So body is supposed to be that content type, but application JSON method is post. Those parts are not really translating. Suppose that's all I could do though. Okay. Okay. Somebody in chat, try the geometry dash command again. And see if it goes through this time. And I will try it as well. GD. Cool level. Yes, my wife is an animator. Objection! All the random sound effects. Okay, did it work? Don't see anything in the Notion database. What's up, Nathan? Seems like it's running. Did StreamerBot lock up? It's really looks cool. Glad to hear it. Did I get a response back from the fetch? Let's see here. Thank you everybody for testing the command. Don't see that it did anything, chat. Don't see that it did anything. This seems like the better way to handle this would be to just launch a PowerShell script. Because this isn't working. Is there a way I can test this to see like what my, let's see here, only The get requests supported at a time. If you need to support additional methods such as post, usualize C# sub-actions and examples are found here. Oh, well, I do need to support post, so doggone it. That's unfortunate. I know this is possible, chat. I know this is possible. So this only supports get, which means it's not going to work for us. At least they documented it. So we'll get rid of that. Have a nice day, Johnny. See you soon. See you, Sarah. Thank you for stopping by. Let's see here. The C# stuff needs to work for us. But this isn't working. Maybe there's a better way. If I were doing this, I would just have a PowerShell script that it could execute and pass the details that way. That seems like it would work more. Let's try that, chat. Okay. I want to pass data from streamer bot into a PowerShell script by passing arguments. The PowerShell script will call Notion and post the parsed data that we care about to the Notion API. Database is... Oh, doggone it. I sent the message too early. Why are we doing that? There we go. Where's our link? Not the link to the view, the link to the page. Database. That's not it. I forgot. I have to have it over here. Chat. So silly. 2 computers is just ridiculous. Everyone, real quick question, kind of important, kind of not important, but what is your favorite streamer activity? What do you like watching people do on stream? And why do you like seeing it? I'm curious. I'm curious, chat. I have a deep-seated curiosity to provide entertainment. Let's see here. The database has an integration token. So leave a spot in the PS1 script for me to paste that in. Welcome back, Lewis. I hope you had a wonderful day. How are you doing right now? You staying hydrated? Got that water? We are setting up a geometry dash command. It is a work in progress. Currently, all it does is make random noises. Not all that useful. Walk me through using setting this up. This is just the basis of the command. I still need to build in the timeout feature and the checking to see if people have submitted things before. Let's see here. Got that chill music and chill vibes, chat. We just gotta let the artificial intelligence do its thing. If you're not sure what to do, you can always do !RNG. Romeo November Golf. That plays random sound effects. If you have a sound effect you'd like me to add to the stream, just let me know. I owe everybody a car starting sound effect. I know that much. I gotta get that car starting sound effect. Okay, so this is our PowerShell script. save this something like one. Before base data we need calling partially in our base has. Oh, interesting. Run it at the property. Oh. I know what properties we have. We don't need that. Notion properties to fill. Title. Level. And then we put that. How's that? Put the user message text here. And then requested by username. There we go. There we go. Now it's going to create the script for us. Do I even have VS Code on this computer? Surely I do. VS. Yeah, I do. That's important. Gotta have VS Code. What is this? Oh, right, when I was making Snowfall. File. Let's see here, new file. This is gonna be save GD level 2 notion.ps1. We're going to save it. Yep, local streaming assets. A new folder here and call it command logic. And we're gonna save it in there. All right, we got our PowerShell script. Go, copy that. Save it in here. We just gotta go grab our Notion API key, paste that into the script. There we go. Save that. Okay. Let's see here. So important, the requested by property set as rich text above. Your Notion database has that property as a different type. Select our people. The body format changes. Yeah, that's fine. Notion preset of your integration connection. Yes, that is correct. That is set up. Okay, streamer bot configuration. I have that set up. Go to actions, create new action. Right, triggers, request. I did that. Okay, so click create set action, run a program. I knew it. I knew we could do it, chat. A program, command PowerShell, do that, wait 10 seconds. In the environment variable table, add these rows. Oh, interesting. That's an interesting way to do that. Why couldn't we just... let's see here. Why don't we just configure the script to take in arguments and pass the data in the data as variables, as we call it, as we call PowerShell. That seems like it would be cleaner, like instead of setting them as environment variables. I don't see why we would do that. You're right. We should do it that way. I know I'm right, chat. Some days you have to be smarter than the artificial intelligence, chat, and today is one of those days. Okay, let's grab that. Put that into our... There we go. And then I need to grab everything under that. And put that here. There we go. So much easier. And then I'm gonna have to follow exactly what it's saying here. Excellent. That is so much easier. Gotcha on special characters. If the message contains special characters, like take a break, raw input quotes, and swap to a single quote. Okay. Good to know. And I need to fill that in with the specific location of the script. We're almost there, chat. We are almost there. I know it's taken us the majority of the stream to get here, but I beg of you, hang in there a little bit more. What's up, CNC Twins? We are so close to adding a Geometry Dash command. All right. Is PowerShell.exe. Sorry, commands. 10 seconds. Environment variables. Okay. So now I just need to go copy that location, streaming assets, command logic. Where is it? Copy as path. I know you're here. Copy as path. How was your day, CNC? I had a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day. There we go. Okay, inputs and user. All right, everybody. Let's try this once more. Yo, bro, you should install Geode and get globed so we can play together. We might have to try that in the future. Geometry Dash test level. Okay. I'm assuming it's going to play the sound effects after 10 seconds. We shall see. Because it said wait maximum for 10 seconds. Set wait time to 0 seconds to run without waiting. Yeah. Oh. It worked! It worked, everybody! For whatever reason, it didn't work for me, but it works for Nathan. Let's go. Look at that! We have a Geometry Dash request. Oh, why didn't mine work? Is it because I had a space? Hold on. Let's try this. GD test level. Oh no. Wait, hold on. Hold on, I just realized something. GD something. Oh no, that works fine. Okay, I don't know why it didn't work the first time. That's weird. When I do it, it launches it 3 times. That's awful. Okay. I'm gonna get myself, I need to make an exemption for myself for that. But look everybody, it works. And then I can put it into like verified, approved, played, or denied. Like, oh man, that is so great. PowerShell, the power of PowerShell wins again, chat. When you need something to work correctly, PowerShell, get it done. This one's really easy. Sweet. Yep, so everybody can request Geometry Dash levels. Now I'm gonna have to add it to where we're gonna have to add a bunch of logic in, where if you already submitted a request, we time you out, and if you do it a third time, I don't know how I would do it a third time. It's gonna like ban you or something. It's almost like I need 2 databases, one of your request and then one of if you did it repeatedly, and then if you're on the repeat, then you get banned or something or timed out. This is rough. This is weird. But we're getting there. We are getting closer. One step closer. See, and then Vibes put the same one, put me in timeout, but it's the demon. Right. And so I can just come over here and delete one of those so that I don't have more than one. It's super rudimentary, but at least it gets the requests into a nice database for me so that I can make this a lot easier. And then the other thing I could do is I could actually turn this into a fillable form so that people could submit this like just in the Discord. So that'll work. We did it, chat. We did it. Is there a text-to-speech thing in here? Hold on. How do I do text-to-speech? Let's see here. How to do text-to-speech in StreamerBot. What are you using to make that? So I'm using StreamerBot. Streamer.bot is the software that can read chat. And then it launches a PowerShell script that talks to my Notion. So this software that you see on screen is Notion. It's like a note-taking database software. And I have an API connection in here that sends it over the internet so that it captures your username and it captures the message. So can you play it so it can be your first demon? Yeah, we'll do it the next Geometry Dash stream. Or do you, yeah. So I hope that answers your question, CNC. StreamerBot doesn't have built-in text-to-speech. It uses SpeakerBot, companion app that handles text-to-speech engine. You connect it via WebSocket. Ooh. Chat, should we set up SpeakerBot so you guys can talk to me using the chat? Is that something you guys would like? Type a big yes in the chat if that's what you want to see. I want to see us set that up. Did I already download it? I did. Look at me. Bum, 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 bum. By the power of 7-zip. Extract. It's time to rock and roll. Yep, yep. Allow. Put those next to each other. So how do I set it up then? We go to settings, speech engines, and add an engine. Bum, bum. Oh no. Settings, speech engines. Okay. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this should go to sound effects. Probably log in with Twitch. There we go. It's definitely going to ask me for my authenticator. Can it be also he's just for talking to you? No, because that's just going to create extra entries in the database that we don't need. Because I'll probably set up an automation to look these things up and like clear out erroneous entries so that I don't have to go through here and delete them. Okay. Got that going. Voice speech engines. There it is. Add. Where's the default Windows one? Not in the speech. Save. Boom, boom. Oh, okay. So if I go to speech engines, add that one. Yay! All right, cool. Text windows. And create your voice alias. Got a setting voice aliases. Add Windows TTS. Okay. Where is that? Settings, voice aliases, name. Cat step on your keyboard there, Vibes.
This is a test message.
Hey, it works. Okay. Did you all hear that in chat? I'll do it. Chat to use command and send text to speech messages. I'm gonna see if I can figure it out before AI tells me. Add text to speech. Text to speech. Pass through. Okay. This is going to be a command. Command, text to speech, command, TTS, chat commands, source, any of them. Okay. Speaker. Ooh. Speak. Windows TTS. But not connected. So your message is input message, I believe. Okay. Is that under my connections or integrations? Speak about. Here we go. Auto connect. Auto reconnect. Connect. Is it not connecting? Settings. WebSocket server. Oh, start. Auto start. There we go. We're connected. Okay. Add trigger, TTS. Yep. And then message is just message. Okay. Let's go back in here. Message.
Message percent.
Okay. Try it. Exclamation mark TTS. So, exclamation mark TTS. Hi there.
Message percent. Message percent.
I don't think it worked, chat.
Message percent.
Length. Let's see here. Message percent is not bringing the chat message. Why isn't it working, chat? Let's see here. Ah, there we go. Everything after the command. Command itself, unique ID, username, message ID. Woo! Are you hearing the voice? Is it actually playing for you guys? What's up, Harley Sawyer? We are adding text to speech to the chat. Okay. Do exclamation mark TTS and then your message.
Hi, Harley. Hi, Harley.
Thank you. Thank you for the bliss.
Hi, Harley.
There we go, it works. I am going to put a cooldown on this of at least 10 seconds. It's a global cooldown. Okay. Alright, it works. Text to speech works. It works. It works, chat. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Why didn't it work for you? That's weird. What happened there?
Kitty car.
That worked. Is there like a text maximum? No, I just didn't see that one. I didn't see Vibes' message, it looks like. That's weird. I will send a laughing disco. You swear. A laugh. That's interesting. I wonder if that was within the cooldown range, because there's a 10-second cooldown, so it might have caught the cooldown. Could have been what happens. Where is the filter? I should pass it through.
Pebble has his thinking hat.
I've given you too much power. I can already tell.
Juckrap, play my level.
There it goes. Is that the level that you recommended, Vibes? The 55520? You like the command? I think I'll change it to be, instead of a global cooldown, I think I'll change it to be a...
Yeah.
I'm going to change it to be a individual user cooldown. It goes 0, commands it there.
Says hi.
Oi. Okay, there we go. That should help prevent people from canceling each other out. Should I add say? Is TTS too hard to remember? Do you think say makes more sense? Because I can just add that. I added say. So you can type exclamation point say. I think that's just a nice quality of... I do like cats. Cats are cute. Now you can use exclamation point TTS and exclamation point say. Hold on. I just realized I can do something here.
Objection! Objection!
Objection. Lua TDS is better. Me.
Because for whatever reason, I have objection set to work anywhere in the message. So you can say objection. I don't know why that's a feature, but that's something I set up. Do with that as you will, I suppose. Okay, I'm going to add a user cooldown of 7 seconds for the Geometry Dash level thing. There we go. It's coming together, chat. It is coming together. Yeah, it's only the objection command for whatever reason. Ugh.
Objection!
Let's see here.
TDS is much better because it is for the phrase text to speech.
Yeah. Okay. We'll keep it. I didn't remove it. I just added both. Hey! Oh! Somebody bonked me. Why would you bonk me like that?
Pebble has his thinking cap.
There it is. Probably wanted everybody to know.
By the fold is fired.
I'll have to check it out. You should check out, what was it? Not Get By, but Sideways. Sideways.
Wondering if you could play GD 55520.
It's on the list, Vibes. It's on the list. I'm not playing it on today's live stream. We were setting up things for the stream today. But I have it on the list. If you have more levels, now's the time to request them. Because I do want to record a video on Geometry Dash, and I'll probably put out another one. Would you guys watch? Oh boy. Oh gosh. Oh. Let's see here. That's your level in Geometry Dash. To put it on my list, type exclamation point GD and then give it. There you go. It works. Okay, I'm gonna do something here. This will be the last thing I do for the stream. Where is? Excuse me. Where is it? What is up, Epica? What is up? There it is. The geometry dash level. Okay. I'm going to remove that, and we're going to add text to.
When ending Crepino.
That is not what you typed. Here pretty soon, after I do this next piece here. We're going to speak. It's going to be Windows TTS. Pass through. No, there's no reason to do that. We're going to do username. Added a geometry dash level.
Crepino. Play. Poppy Playtime Chapter 1.
What? Oh.
Percent added a geometry dash level. Thank you.
Okay, let's try.
Percent added a geometry dash level. Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna test it. GD. Another level.
Jonyosh added a geometry dash level. Thank you.
Sweet.
Jonyosh added a geometry dash level.
And it spammed it.
Thank you. Jonyosh added a geometry dash level. Thank you. Play chapter 3637 738 3838. Harley saw your IP3 added a geometry dash level. Thank you.
It's working, chat. It's working. Alrighty. Santa 4 right here, right now in Brazil. Dang, dude. So I'm about to, that'll have to do for today's live stream.
Vibes 1998 added a geometry dash level. Thank you.
I might change it to thank you for adding a geometry dash level, because that takes a little while for it to say the second thank you. Let's do that.
Pebble has his thinking cap.
There we go.
Thank you. Percent username percent added a geometry dash level.
There we go. Perfect. We're gonna save that. 9:04 p.m. specifically. Yeah, makes sense. Alrighty, everybody. I am going to end the live stream here. Thank you, everyone, for showing up. We've got some good Geometry Dash levels to play with. What's up, Nevin? You caught the very last moments of the stream. The Geometry Dash command is working, and so is text. And so is text to speech. You can do exclamation point TTS or exclamation point say, and it'll play words on the stream. It's all right. I'll be back tomorrow. I know.
Cool Vibes 1998 for adding a geometry dash level.
Cool. Also, my wall is in flames. You get the reference? I don't, unfortunately. But with that, everybody, I've got to head out. I've got places to be. Oh, well, sorry everybody for missing it. No, it's all good, Nevin. If you want to see the chaos, you can go back and check it out. Yeah, it's ending. But I'll be back tomorrow, everybody. I will be back tomorrow. And if you want me to play Geometry Dash levels, you can request them. We'll probably add some sort of spam protection so that people are not spamming the same levels. And this is a warning for everybody that doesn't have my best interest in mind. If I will be checking these levels before I play them on stream.
Vibes 1998 for adding a geometry dash level.
And if I find that they are not reputable levels, that they're really bad, I will ban you. So that stands, because we will have order. But I will be back probably around 4:30 tomorrow, and it'll be a shorter stream because I have places to be. But I'll still go live for at least 30, 45 minutes and hang out with you all. Maybe we'll do a quick Hawaiian shirt design or something. It'll be something art related, I'll bet. But I will see all of you then. Thank you to everyone that came by and played with the chat commands. But I will see you all tomorrow. You all have a wonderful evening.